Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the iQOO 9 device versus iQOO Neo 7 device. So iQOO Neo 7, which has got the Dimensity 8200 processor, and iQOO 9, which has got the Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. And let's do the benchmark test comparison between these both processors, and let's see what will be the overall benchmark scores. So let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of benchmark scores while comparing both phones side by side. And while performing the testing, I'll be using with the monster mode. So let me enable the monster mode here. So both phones they do have the monster mode as well. As you can see, monster mode is enabled successfully. And let's open our benchmark test and let's start the test as well. And in the beginning, the both phones are having the temperatures of 26 degrees Celsius. Same temperatures both phones did maintain. So let's get started with the benchmark test comparison between these both smartphones. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 74 and 66%, the temperature did increase up to 34 degrees Celsius on the iQOO Neo 7 device and 33 degrees Celsius in the iQOO 9 device with the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. As you can see, slightly kind of very similar temperatures can be observed between these both mobile phones. And I can be back after some time again to check the temperatures, what's going on between these two devices. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to the end of the test results in the iQOO 9 device and iQOO Neo 7 as well, as you can see. And right now we'll try to see the overall scores. In the Snapdragon 888 Plus did score about 8,42,000 as you can see. And now we'll try to observe in the iQOO Neo 7 device how much the benchmark scores can be there. So finally, as you can see friends, the iQOO Neo 7 did score about 8,50,000 and the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset did score about 8,42,000. So slightly kind of higher in this device, but I think the GPU has got slightly high scores, 339 versus 322. And you can see the CPU scores 217 and the 210. And overall temperatures also, both phones did increase slightly kind of similar temperatures, as you can see. And the battery dropped by 4% and 3%. So this is a quick overall benchmark test scores comparison between these both phones. So iQOO Neo 7 and the iQOO 9 device. So this is what you can actually observe between these both devices regarding the benchmark scores. So with using monster mode. So without using monster mode, we might get slightly different results. But with using monster mode, these are the overall benchmark scores you can actually expect. So Dimensity 8200 processor is slightly kind of equal to Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset regarding the benchmark performance. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching until next video for more updates and bye.